Alright, you guys, here's a pack the car video. Oh. Today we spent one of the most,
not the most,
but one of the most expensive hauls at Costco. It was $308. We got Bounty paper towels, which is like $20 by itself. We got Loki's pee-pee pads, which is $20 by itself. We got, we'll show you everything we got when we load the car.
Oh, that guy's standing in the middle of the road. What you doing? Gecko, what are you doing, Gecko?
Good grief. I gotta get my keys out. Sorry, you guys. Getting my keys out, sorry. Ready? Hold on. Go ahead. All right, we keep coolers in the car now because we never know when we're gonna need to. So Steven will pack the coolers and I'll show you guys what we get. So we got Teton again, ground beef again. These are the Teton. They're on sale right now at Costco. Bear chicken. We got a thing of bear chicken nuggets that goes in. See, bear chicken. We got two bags of Steven's favorite sweet potato fries. So that's 2 bags. Perfect. What kind of fish is that?
Cod.
Cod.
Yeah, we're gonna have that for tomorrow. Guy
And
told me to take, unless he took
a big giant thing of pot roast, of course, and egg butt. Oh,
that one's closed, guys.
We have another cooler.
We got a cooler bag too. We got another cooler where we throw all the stuff in.
Egg bites, muffins. Our
sandwiches. You gotta. I'm not even gonna put them in here. You have to hold on to those.
Okay, yeah, because those ones are messed up. So we got Splenda. They have Bobos, but they're going to be discontinued, so I don't think they're doing good here. But I love these. These are gluten-free, so that's why I got them. My Tylenol PMs. Steven's got Mighty Spark chicken sticks. He's like obsessed with these. Oh God. Put this somewhere.
Put that in the back seat.
Yeah. We need, this is the extra virgin olive oil that we got. Supposedly it's a really good kind. We have to be really careful with that. Sweet potato chips. Dubai chocolate. I don't want that shit down in the cooler, no?
No, you know what? I also want to take a ride home.
Oh boy. We're going to do a taste test video.
Yeah. I'll put it right now.
Alright. And we got a bunch of snacks too, but that's pretty much the haul. So it was very overwhelming today in there. I don't know what's going on, but I guess people got their checks or whatever for the beginning of the month. So it was kind of insanity. So thanks for watching. Sorry we haven't posted many videos.